Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English. Today we will practice the polite way to give instructions and advices at work.
Stay with us till the end, and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
At work, you don't always need complex language. Very often, you just need to give clear instructions or simple advice. It might be explaining a task, guiding someone through a process, or helping a colleague avoid mistakes. The key isn't sounding smart, it's sounding clear and helpful. In this lesson, you'll hear how professionals give instructions and advice in a calm, practical way at work. Stay until the end. To practice sentence, you can use it immediately. If you're improving English for your job, subscribe to Daily Life Smart English for realistic workplace conversations. Let's begin. My name is Alice. I work as a project coordinator. Harry is a colleague who has recently joined the team. In this conversation, Harry is asking for guidance, and I am giving simple instructions and advice to help him complete a task correctly.
Hi, Alice. Do you have a moment?
Of course, Harry. What do you need help with?
I'm working on the weekly report, and I just want to make sure I'm doing it the right way.
Sure. I'm happy to walk you through it.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem. First, make sure you're using the latest template from the shared folder.
Okay, I'll double-check that.
Once you've opened the template, focus on completing the summary section first. That's the part most people look at.
Got it. So the summary comes first.
Exactly. For the data section, you don't need to include every detail. Just highlight the key numbers and any major changes from last week.
That's helpful. I wasn't sure how much detail to include.
If you're unsure, keep it simple. You can always add more later if needed. If you often need to explain tasks or guide colleagues at work, take a moment to like this video. It helps others find the lesson too. Let's continue.
Oh, Alice, what about the comments section? Should I write a lot there?
Not really. Use that space to explain anything unusual or to flag potential issues.
Okay, so only important notes.
Exactly. Short and clear is best. Also, before you submit the report, please check the figures carefully. Small mistakes can cause confusion later.
Understood. I'll review everything before sending it.
Good idea.
Is there a deadline I should be aware of?
Yes. Try to send it by Thursday afternoon so the team has time to review it.
All right.
If you're running behind, just let me know early. We can adjust if needed.
I appreciate that.
Oh, and one more piece of advice. Save your work regularly and keep a backup copy.
That's a good reminder. I've learned that the hard way before.
We all have.
Should I send the report directly to the whole team?
Not at first. Please send it to me first so I can do a quick review.
Okay.
Once I've checked it, I'll let you know if it's ready to share more widely.
Thanks, Alice. That really helps.
You're welcome. It'll get easier once you've done it a few times.
I'm sure it will.
And if anything is unclear, don't hesitate to ask.
I will. Thanks again for your guidance.
No problem at all. Good luck with the report. Now it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each sentence right after me. Focus on clear tone, calm pace, and practical wording. Let's begin. Make sure you're using the latest template. Focus on the summary section first. You don't need to include every detail. Keep it simple. Please check the figures carefully. Try to send it by Thursday afternoon. If you're running behind, let me know early. Save your work regularly. Send it to me first for review. Don't hesitate to ask if anything is unclear. Great work! Giving instructions or advice at work is about being clear, calm, and supportive. You don't need complicated language, just the right words at the right time. Keep practicing, and you'll feel more confident guiding others at work. I'll see you in the next lesson.